Dialog Deck is a user-generated content management system. What if you could modify your game, without going through the game editor and associated builders for deployment? Now you can with Dialog Deck. Dialog Deck is the WordPress of game development. This is a demonstration video for Dialog Deck. The demonstration involves adding theses objects to our game. Normally, we would head over to the game editor, add some meshes and then build to deploy on a target platform. We start in the game. In this case, we are using one of our scene themes. As you can see, we are starting inside a typical game. To log in into the game, we click on the Dialog Deck button, enter our credentials, and then press the Login button. This is the Dialog Deck dashboard. The red sphere is the object locator. We need to move the object locator to where we want to create the first object. We select the curved stairs object with color of gray. We use the default options and press Generate Object. On to the next location. We select the cone object with the color of pink. We use the default options and press Generate. On to the final location. We select the torus object with the color of blue. We use the default options and press Generate. Now we need to return to the game. At the top of the screen, we press the resume button to return. Now that we are back in the game, we can go inspect the three objects we just generated. We have successfully added these objects to our game. Let's see how to generate a material from an image and then apply it to a generated object. Once again, we start in a game. Then we log in to the Dialog Deck to generate objects. First, we need to generate an image using Google AI. We are going to request generation of 4 images of a pup. Google AI is generating the puppy images, but it will take a few seconds. Great images. Let's select the puppy on the lower left. Then we can press the Generate Material button to add the material to the system. Now we can generate a cube object and apply the generated puppy material to it. Such a cute pup. Let's go back to the game by pressing Resume. Looks perfect. We have added generated material to a generated object. Dialog Deck is a user-generated content management system. There is another video which is a continuation of this video. That video can be found on the dfassistance.com website. Thanks you for watching. For more information, send email to Urbrush at this email address.